Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of crypto. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Dymension airdrop, which was just recently released to us yesterday, and most of us made a good amount by just simply staking one TIA token. On average, most people made above $500 for simply interacting with L2s, holding NFTs, as well as just simply staking one TIA token. Now, this is something that we're going to take a look at throughout today's video as to how you can stake, as well as how you can be eligible for future airdrops by simply being involved in the Dymension ecosystem. So stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. Now, currently Dymension is trading at $5.70 with an all-time high at $6.30. Now, it's almost at $1 billion market cap. So I do truly believe that this will do quite good throughout this bull run, and this is something that currently has a market or a circulating supply of 146 million. This is something that is similar to what TIA did, and it will continuously rise up in my opinion. Don't take that as financial advice. This is just something that I believe will be happening. Now, if you take a look at the metrics, you can see that 20% is bounded, which basically means that most of the supply has already been staked, receiving a current APR of 42%. Now, I truly believe that if you have funds, you should definitely stake at least 100 to 200 Dymension tokens. This is simply by going to the portal.dymension.xyz. Now, most of us have received an airdrop, so I'm going to showcase how you can actually claim this. What you want to do is go to claimlist.com, and I'll leave this link in the description below. This will help you add the Dymension mainnet to your MetaMask. So you simply want to connect your wallet. It's completely safe, guys. And once you have done that, you want to just click add to MetaMask. Do this at your own discretion, obviously, but if you trust me, it's super simple. Now add this and approve this signature so that you can switch over to the Dymension mainnet. And once you are on the Dymension network, you will be able to see how much Dymension you have received. I received 52 on this wallet, which is my EVM wallet, and I simply just staked all of it right away. I'm going to be adding more funds to it to reach that 100 to 200 available balance staked in this protocol. So what you want to do is then go to the staking site, which I'll also leave a link to in the description below. Connect your wallet. You're going to need to sign your signature. Once that is done, you're going to be able to see your available balance over here, and you can simply then go to your delegation and stake any amount. So in my opinion, Polka Chew is a good one. Enigma is another good one, but these are some of the ones that you want to make sure that you can work with. Make sure that you do not choose a centralized exchange, and make sure you don't choose one that has 10% in terms of commission. Now, once you have selected the best one, in my opinion, Polkachu is a good one, or Enigma, you can then simply just click on stake. Once you have done that, you can then click the max amount, but you would want to keep a little bit for the estimated fees. So just simply keep a little bit for yourselves to stake. Now, this is for the people who have been, everyone has been airdrop with their EVM. You can transfer over to your Leap, but I truly believe that's not worth it. It's best to just keep it in MetaMask, and this way you are able to develop more transactions. So potentially you can maybe even get the MetaMask airdrop in the future, but that's not confirmed. But once you have staked it, you can see different amounts over here. You can see the staked amount, you can see the claimable amount. Now, before you even actually stake it, make sure you know that there is a 21-day bounding period, which basically means that if you want to unstake, you're going to have to wait 21 days to get your funds back into your MetaMask wallet. So just keep that in mind. You can see over here, every time you get claimable rewards, you can simply just click on claim all. This will claim your results. It will prompt up open the MetaMask wallet, where you can then sign the signature and then claim it, and then you can stake it again into your validator. And it's easy as that, guys. In my opinion, most people are going to be investing only 50 dime, but you should possibly have over 100. It's safe to put at least 250 in if you guys do have the funds. Don't take this as financial advice. This is just something that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing this across possibly 10 wallets. So this is a great way for me to be potentially being eligible for future airdrops with Dymension. We already know that Wormhole might be giving out to certain supply to Dymension, which was something that was actually just confirmed today, but don't take that for granted. We know Avail has a partnership with Dymension, and they actually confirmed that they were going to be giving out their airdrop to Dymension stakers. So just keep these things in mind. This could be valuable information for you. Now, say if you do want to get into Dimension, you want to stake this. Now, what you want to do is go to the IBC bridge. Now, at this current moment, you're not able to deposit anything with this bridge, but what you can do is you can copy this dime wallet, and you're going to be able to send it through a centralized exchange. This is one method as to how you can transfer over to your MetaMask wallet, or you can also use the IBC bridge with Leap or Kepler. That's a great way to do it. At this current moment, you're not able to go and swap at this current moment, but it's something that they're going to add as time goes. But this is an easy way for you to get started. Once you have funds in here, you can easily stake it for a really cheap price. But say if you do not have Dimension airdrop to you, you can just buy it with a centralized exchange and use an IBC bridge to deposit it. It's super easy to do so. You can use it by a source chain over here. You can add your own rollup app by adding the Leap or Celestia rollup, and once you have added that, you can then bridge it over here. And you can also go and even withdraw funds by clicking on this, where you can put the destination address of your dime from your Leap wallet, and this is where you can send the max amount to that Leap wallet. This is just an easy way for you to, if you do not want to use your EVM wallet, you can use your Leap wallet or your Cosmos wallet, sorry. And in other terms, if you want to add another wallet, you can do so as well by disconnecting this and adding another wallet. But that's basically it for the Dymension token, and I hope that this video is helpful as to how you can stake it and you get some sort of idea or value as to what future airdrops could be eligible for Dymension stakers. But that's basically it guys for today's video. Make sure you follow us on Twitter if you guys haven't already. There's a lot of videos that you should definitely take a look at. There is different tutorials on different airdrops that you should get started with, especially Blast and Blur. This is something that you should not fade. Make sure you check out the Parcel one, because this is something that is quite early. I simply just staked 250 and I'm already in the top 50 in just staking it for around 2 or 3 days. Zero airdrop or Zero Land is another great one. So definitely take a look at these and you will get a better idea as to how you can make a good amount from airdrops. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.